Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm currently in East Lake Tohopekaliga, located in the Chasm Park boat ramp. And today I'm gonna be unveiling the brand new ZK430 from boats2go.com. Now this thing is actually a Kaboat, a kayak slash boat, all in one. I used to own one, an SK396, but it was a lot smaller. This is a Kaboat on steroids. It got bigger bladders, a lot wider. You can fit a much bigger motor. As you guys can see, I got a 9.9 horsepower on it. Right now it's warming up. You could probably fit a 20 horsepower in there, no problem at all. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let me get in the water and show you what it's all about. Look at how much real estate on this boat is. It's so big. All right, let's get a move on. Here we go. Very nice. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! That's nice. Well, right now, as you guys saw, I caught playing very nicely with a 10 horsepower, but I believe it is time to take the drone out and let you guys see the perspective from the air. It's time for that. All right.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Well guys, as you can see from the air, I believe that should give you a good perspective how massive this Kaboat is. And it's quite stable actually. When I was going into playing in the water, as you guys saw, it was tackling the wakes like it was nothing. It was just eating it up. It's that keel that comes with the Kaboat. That little keel at the bottom that creates that little V shape, it just cuts through the water and just makes it a lot smoother. I do like this boat, generally love it. All right, so guys, when it comes to the review, this is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video has been informative and it helps you make your decision, you know, which inflatable boat or Kaboat you want to get. And if you're looking for something that's versatile, because you can grab some large paddles and you can paddle with this. And you can probably put the outboard motor on, on shallow drive. So it'll assist you as you're moving along. So that's not too bad. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.